In this video, I'll show you how to live stream on TikTok directly from your PC. Whether you want to stream gameplay, your screen, or just use your webcam, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open any internet browser on your computer. In the search bar, type TikTok Live Studio and press enter. Click on the official website that says Download Live Studio, then click the Download for Windows button. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, usually found in the top right corner of your browser, and open the file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install TikTok Live Studio on your PC. After installation, open the Start menu and launch the TikTok Live Studio app. When the app opens, make sure you're signed in to the correct TikTok account. Now you can start setting up your live stream layout. Click on the plus symbol icon next to Sources. Here, you'll see multiple options for what you can stream. To begin, choose either Display Capture to show your full screen or Window Capture to stream a specific app. Then click Add. If you want to stream a specific game or program, click the drop-down menu and select it from the list. Make sure the application is already running in the background so it appears here. For example, if you want to stream Roblox, open it first, then select it from the list. Enable Capture Cursor if needed and click Add Source. Next, choose your scene layout. TikTok is optimized for vertical videos, so it's best to select Portrait mode. If your screen content appears in landscape, you may need to resize and reposition it so it fits properly within the vertical frame. You can also add more elements to your stream. Click the plus symbol icon again to add sources like your webcam. Select Camera, click Add. Choose your webcam from the drop-down list and adjust the settings as needed. You can then resize and move the webcam overlay anywhere on the screen. Additionally, you can enhance your stream by adding features like follower goals, alerts, and notifications. These are optional and depend on your personal preference. Once everything is set up, simply click the Go Live button at the bottom of the screen. If your account meets TikTok's requirements, you'll be able to start streaming immediately. Otherwise, you may be redirected to apply for live access. And that's it. You're now ready to go live on TikTok from your PC.